Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Puput Dani Prasetya Adi. I will presentation about the performance of ES920LR LoRa for monitoring health status on the loss and non-loss environment. And this is ICIS International Conference on Innovation in Science and Technology 2020, Semarang, Indonesia. First of all, I will share about the abstract. ES920LR is a type of LoRa in Japan. This type of LoRa has a frequency specification of 920 MHz and a range of 3 km at free space band loss. The ES920LR is tested using a pulse sensor and placed in the arm position to detect heartbeat in human and send multi-point from the transmitter to several receiver with different hurdles. And test result from the comparison between loss and non-loss from the line of sight building position test. The receptional strength in dBm value is 119 dBm at a distance of 710 meters. And the PRR percent is 93.94%. Besides, the LoRa ES920LR is incorporated with the Leophany board with the small size of the ES920LR. It will make it easier to apply a drone to get the result of the analysis of splitting factor, GPS position, and the RSSI. And this is a specification and dimension of ES920LR Leophany board dimensions. And this specification is compatible with the Leophany board to develop to drone positions. And the ES920LR specification, this is have a frequency 920.6 until 928 megahertz, and this is compatible on the Japan. And use modulation type is LoRa modulation chip spread spectrum, and have a splitting factor 7 to 12. Have transmission speed 146 bit per second to 22 kilobyte per second. And transmission output is 13 dBm or 20 milliwatt. Receive sensitivity is around 118 dBm to 142 dBm. Power consumption is very small, and on the transmitter is 43 milliampere or 13 dBm, and receiver is 20 milliampere. On the sleep conditions is 1.7 microampere, and this is when the timer start. And power supply voltage is 2.4 volt to 3.6 volt. And this is my prototype, and I use ES920LR on the prototype with combination with microcontroller Arduino, and the type is micro Arduino. And the right side is the graphical user interface to show the heartbeat. And if the green, this is show the normal condition of heartbeat, human heartbeat. The value is 60 to 100 beat per minute. And major, this is more than 100, and the red color is less than 60 ppm. And this is condition of tachycardia or bradycardia from the human. And this is a measurement area of ES920LR LoRa, and I'm use line of sight with the obstacle and the free space position. And the big obstacle is on the hills and trees. And so, and this is around the 1 kilometer. So the RSSI is 140 dBm, and almost same with the another place, and the difference obstacle, so the 119 dBm. On the line of sight, I'm get the positions RSSI is 119 dBm on the 700 meters, and this is so the graphical show the reducing the signal power comparison with the increasing the distance. On the hill obstacle, I get the RSSI is 140 dBm on the 800 meters distance, and packet receive ratio on ES 920 LR. This is a decreasing on the percentage, and until 93.94% on the 1 kilometers. On the 1 meters, I get comparison RSSI on the RX node, on the signal analyzer 1, signal analyzer 2, and signal analyzer 3, and with the RSSI theoreticals. And this is difference and comparison from the 4 experiment. And on the signal analyzer 1, we can get around 42 until 44 dB, and we can get the RSSI on the RX node. This is from the experimental trials, and we can get the signal is around the 48 until 50 dBm. So this is a very weak on the RX node. And this is a picture from the signal analyzer and sending process data from the transmitter to the receiver on the 1 meters. And from the measurement on the around 1 kilometers with different obstacle on the line of sight and non-line of sight, we can get the RSSI like this graph, and we can get attenuations from 800 to 1 kilometers. But from 200 to 800, not significant have a result attenuations, because the obstacle is different. And from the transmitter to receiver 1, this is not have a big obstacle, but on the transmitter to receiver 2 have more obstacle. So the attenuation is not significant from 200 meters to 800 meters. And this is a comparison from RSSI ES920LR LoRa with the different environment. And red color is a transmitter to receiver sensor node, and the pink color is from transmitter to the receiver on the free space, and line of sight building is green, and the blue color is obstruction building. So the obstacle is very weakness on the obstruction building. This is around more than 160 dBm. So data from the transmitter to receiver is very small PRR on the percent. And on the bad weather, this is conditions like rain and winter. This is we can get the data attenuations from the signal. Yeah. This is data is around the 1 kilometers, and the blue color is normal, and drizzles. This is more weak from the normals, and heavy rainy. This is more weak, around the 120 dB until 145 dBm on the 1 kilometers. And I'm get the data from the measurement. I'm use signal analyzer Tektronix RSA 340 HB, and we can get the data signals around minus 30 dBm. And this is get the spectrogram signal too. And this is movement of the signal from the transmitting data. We can get signal power until minus 30 dBm. And the real-time data on the IoT, we can get data on the ThingSpeak. And this is real-time from our pulse sensor on the BPM. So the conclusion is ES920LR LoRa have a performance evaluation of attenuation on dB. For example, free space path loss LoRa at 3 km without obstacle line of sight is 80 dB. With on the obstacle the same distance, attenuation occurs or 9 line of sight to minus 130 dB. Radio propagation on the bad weather and drizzle is minus 110 dB on around 1 km, and heavy rain 140 dBm. With a parameter attenuation range approximation result of measurement RSSI on D0 or 1 meters. RSSI theory is 47 dBm, RSSI IRX is 49 dBm, RSSI signal analyzer measurement is 44 dBm, RSSI signal analyzer 2 chip signal is minus 35 dBm, and RSSI signal analyzer 3 is minus 46 dBm. The packet data sent to the ThingSpeak application server and can be seen in real time on the device that have an internet connections. The LoRa signal can be analyzed using the signal analyzer and produce a signal strength value at dBm. Okay, thank you very much for today. This is my presentation. Good morning.